Welcome to my class, dear students. Yesterday, we talked about articles and its kinds. Now, today we are going to discuss how do we use articles. First of all, we will discuss about indefinite article a or an. The uses of indefinite article. Uses of indefinite article. Indefinite articles means a or an. Indefinite articles means a or an. A or an we use indefinite articles before a singular countable noun. No, as we know, indefinite articles are used before a singular countable noun. A or an is used before a singular countable noun. For example, you can see here, for example, a pen, no, an apple, a book, no, an ox, etc. No, these all are singular. These all are singular noun. No, singular countable noun. So, another now, where do we use article a and where do we use article an? A or an, as it is called indefinite article, a and an both have separate rules to use. As we see in this point, a is used before a singular countable noun that starts with consonant sound. Students, you must focus on these words, consonant sound. No, consonant sound like B, C, D, F, G, H, no, J, K, L, M, N, no, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Students, these are consonant. These are consonant. For example, see, I have, I have a pen. No? A pen. Students, if you see pens, means this is plural. No, before plural countable noun we can't use indefinite article a or an. So that to use indefinite article a or an, noun must be singular countable. Noun must be singular countable, and a is used before a singular countable that begins with consonant sound. Consonant sound. Another, see about a pencil. No, pencil, singular countable noun. A is used like this. Like this. And is used before a singular countable noun that starts with vowel sound. You know better, vowel sound means A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Now, an information I am going to give you. This U, if this U has this sound, it is consonant and used with A. Now we use A. If this U has the sound like A, no, this is vowel and an is used. Students, remember this one. Now, for example, she has an onion. She has an onion, singular countable noun. Another, they bought an umbrella. It's about an umbrella. No, this umbrella. U vowel. O vowel. No. So that an is used here and is used. Now, sometimes we get a singular countable noun that starts with consonant letter, but we pronunciate it giving vowel sound, like here. For this, remember this point. indefinite articles are used on the basis of pronunciation but not on the basis of written form. For example, you can see here she has and may she has an MA degree. She has MA degree. Now this we say am. This A is pronounced and so that we use she has an MA degree. Another she woke up before an hour. Now this H is silent and we pronounce O. So that and we use here and we use. Another similarly we use indefinite articles before a singular countable noun. If we get an adjective or adverb we use adverb before that noun. We use a or an before that adjective or adverb. Okay, for example, first be clear here. As we know, indefinite article a or an is used before a singular countable noun. But if we get any adjective or adverb before that singular countable noun, we use a or an before adjective or adverb, not before that singular countable noun. Before that adjective or adverb, we use article a or an on the basis of the pronunciation of that adjective or adverb. See here. She is an intelligent girl. Students, now this intelligent adjective, no, this intelligent adjective noun is here, noun is here. So we didn't use a or here. No, this is wrong. If you get any adjective that identifies noun, no, any adjective, we use a or an article before adjective on the basis of the pronunciation of this adjective. No, I vowel, no, so an is used here before this adjective. Another, I talked about adverb. Same sentence here. She is a very intelligent girl. She is a very intelligent girl. Now, this adjective identifies this noun. This adverb identifies this adjective. No, this adjective we use a here before adverb. Before adverb on the basis of the pronunciation of this adverb concerning. So I used here a article. So it means we must be clear that a or an article is used before a singular countable noun, but if we get any adjective or adverb before that singular countable noun, we use a or an article before the adjective or adverb on the basis of the pronunciation of adjective or adverb. So, dear students, some more points we have to write about the uses of indefinite articles a or an. So we will learn about the remaining points tomorrow. So join tomorrow. For today, thank you very much.